Like, why would this man give me drink? Hey babe, welcome to my channel. This is my birthday vlog slash maintenance. I am getting my hair done first. I got some boho. Alright babes, I am in the dressing room and I'm about to try out some dresses that I picked up. I really don't too much care for them, but I'm just gonna see what I'm gonna do. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit, what I was wearing. This is so comfortable and cute. This dress was the first dress I put on. It was so cute, but it didn't scream birthday. The texture was so good. This is the second dress. I didn't like it at all. It didn't give birthday at all. This is the third dress. Super cute. I know it looks similar to dress number 2, but the back just does it for me and it just does the body good. Look at how it just, oh, does the body good. I love this dress. This dress, this was dress number 4. I really didn't like it. It didn't flatter my body. Dress number 5, really love this dress. It screams birthday, it screams date night, it screams baby look. Listen, it really does the body good. I love this dress. All right, so I found 2 birthday dresses and I'm just gonna get both of these dresses because I can't decide, so I'm gonna get both of them. So yeah. So this is the next day, and this is my first time trying out this nail shop. You guys, when I say 10 out of 10, I never felt so feminine and like good at a nail shop. They was so nice. Everything was pink. It just screams classy. It just screams girl. I just love it. And I found me a new nail tech. Her name is Abby. Super nice, super cool. I just love nice individuals, and she was one of those people. She did my toes so good. My nails, like, I've been looking for somebody to do my real nails like this for the longest, and she did what needs to be done. I'm just in my grown woman era. Like, I always been a shorty. She did my toes so nice. I just found a whole new nail tech. Now I'm about to go grab something to eat. Then I'm gonna go home, get in the shower, get dressed, and take you guys along with me. I'm outside of BW3's. I'm gonna get a buffalo chicken wrap, some fries and queso, and then I'm also about to get a strawberry lemonade. I just really love my nails, like, so classy, like, and these are my real nails. All right, y'all, this is what I'm gonna be eating. So I got the buffalo chicken wrap. I hope it's buffalo in here. Buffalo chicken wrap, and then I got queso for my fries. I had to get my eyebrows arched, y'all. My eyebrows was so thick and bushy. I be seeing the girls on TikTok talk about Chicago eyebrows. No, baby, come to Milwaukee. I've been coming to this nail shop just for my eyebrows since I was legit, like, small. I'm talking about in middle school, and they does really good eyebrows, for real. All right, so this is how I look for my birthday. I end up picking out this dress. Yeah, this is my 26th birthday. I think I'm gonna put a necklace on because I kind of look too big. All right, y'all, so I am in the car, and these are the heels and the purse that I'm wearing. I wanted to see Bad Boy so bad, so I went to go see this, y'all. I was doing everything I wanted to do. We at this hibachi place, and I took a lot of juice. I feel it, but I feel drunk right now. Like, why would this man give me drunk? But he going to see if it's packed. If it is, we're going somewhere else, because I don't want to wait. But All right, y'all. By the time we got to this next hibachi place, it was nobody in there. So I really, really enjoyed just me and him being in there. I really wanted some hibachi, but when I tell y'all, I was so freaking drunk, like so freaking drunk. I couldn't do no more activity. Like, oh my gosh, we were supposed to go bowling and stuff, but I had such a great time, y'all. I even had a drink here. It was called Bahama Mama with dark rum. It was so good. And then I still had the Hennessy. Y'all, when I tell y'all I'm so lightweight, but I enjoyed myself to the fullest. I had a stress-free birthday, and yeah, it was cool. But next time I know I can't start drinking early because I can't do nothing. I can't function. I get tired. Like, I don't know. It was fun. I felt good. But, child, I was drunk. I was lit. I was slurring on my words. I couldn't walk down there. It was just crazy. I was so drunk. I couldn't even finish all my food, honey. But yeah, this is what I had. It was so good. I am so drunk right now. Like, so drunk. So drunk. But I can really tell you guys that my birthday has been stress-free and peaceful. And thank you for watching my vlog. But yeah, this is my outfit.